Hello everyone, my name is Nindi Sifra Eliana from the Information Systems Department at Universitas Teknokrat Indonesia. In this video, I will guide you through the electronic filing tutorial, specifically on how to manage and archive incoming mail using Google Drive and a digital agenda book. Let's begin with the first step. First, create a main folder in Google Drive dedicated to filing. Inside this folder, create two subfolders, one for incoming mail and one for outgoing mail. Then, inside each of these folders, create 14 additional folders, each labeled according to the archive classification codes. Next, prepare the Twin Agenda Book template in Microsoft Excel. Use Sheet 1 for the incoming mail agenda and Sheet 2 for the outgoing mail agenda. We will start by archiving incoming mail. Open one of the incoming letters. Then, in the Excel agenda book, fill out the following information: the agenda number, the date the letter was received, the letter date, the letter number, the sender, the subject, and the intended recipient. To determine the intended recipient, refer to your organization's archive classification system. In this example, the subject of the letter is a collaboration offer, which falls under marketing. Therefore, the letter is addressed to the head of finance division. Fill this information into the Excel sheet. Next, determine the archive classification code based on the topic of the letter. Since the main topic is marketing, the main code is 100. The subtopic is offers, so the subcode is 00. Then, the subtopic is collaboration offers, with the code 20. So the complete classification code is written as 100 Manburjo 20. After completing the agenda entry, proceed to fill out the disposition sheet. Briefly, a disposition sheet is used to record instructions and follow-up actions for a letter within an organization. In the disposition sheet, fill in the following details: the sender, the letter number, the letter date, the date received, the agenda number, which is O1 for this example, the letter priority, such as very urgent, urgent, or confidential. In this tutorial, the letter is marked as urgent, so check the box for urgent. Next, write the complete subject based on the letter content, specify to whom the letter is forwarded, and state the action that needs to be taken. Once the disposition sheet is complete, save the Word file as a PDF. Combine the PDF disposition sheet with the original letter, then upload the file to the correct folder in Google Drive according to its classification code. Finally, copy the Drive link to the document and paste it into the incoming mail agenda Excel sheet in the Document Archive column. Now, let's continue with the next part, which is recording and filing outgoing mail. The process is almost the same as incoming mail, but with a few differences. Just like before, make sure you have a special folder in Google Drive for archiving. Inside the outgoing mail folder, create the same 14 classification folders based on the company's archive code. Next, open the Excel file for the Twin Agenda Book and switch to the sheet labeled Outgoing Mail Agenda. Here, we will enter the details of the outgoing letter. Open the outgoing letter that has been prepared. Then fill in the agenda table with the agenda number, the date of the letter number, the recipient, the subject, and the relationship with other documents, if there is any. After that, determine the archive classification code. Use the same method as before. Identify the main topic, subtopic, and subtopic. Then write the full code in the archive code column. For example, in this tutorial, the subject is Penawaran Kerja Sama, which falls under marketing and uses the code 100.0.10. Once the agenda is filled, save the outgoing letter as a PDF file, then upload it to the appropriate Drive folder according to its classification code. Rename the file using this format: month, year, recipient. For example, O1 2025, PT Gudang Garam. After the PDF is uploaded, copy the Google Drive link. Paste the link in the Document Archive link column in the outgoing mail agenda. This completes the filing process for outgoing mail. That's all for this electronic filing tutorial. I hope this video helps you understand how to record, organize, and archive both incoming and outgoing mail using the e-filing system. Thank you for watching.